Cordillera, a well-deserved award.
And there's Mrs. Cordillera.
Si Jean, tuwa-tuwa
Well,
sa
si Jericho.
pagkapanalo ng kanyang kabyak.
Oh, alam mo si Jericho Cordillera was actually the first ever winner of a conference top player award back in 1994, yung All-Filipino Cup. Hindi na naulit after that. And finally, Jericho Cordillera is back at the top of the heap. Best player of the Governor's Cup, si Jericho Cordillera.
Alam mo, partner rin si Jericho Cordillera. Ito, meron ng streamer yung mga kaibigan ni Jerry at meron yatang advance notice ito.
Alam na kagad, ano?
Ano ba, partner? Ito si Jericho Cordillera played with a lot of responsibility on his shoulders. Alam natin dito sa Governor's Cup, hindi na nakalaro si Alvin Patrimonio sa Pure Foods.
That's right.
Because of his responsibilities naman no sa Centennial team. Kanya ito si Jericho Cordillera stepped up, nagpakita, and the well-deserved triumph for Jericho Cordillera in bagging the best player of the conference award.
Alright, so yan po ang ating mga special awards for this conference. Silas Mills bagging the best import